Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello at your World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to give permission certificates in Query OCSP responder servers to confirm the current validity of certificates in Mozilla Firefox. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla Firefox where I have been pinned in my taskbar. So click here and then go to the 3-bar icon, click and press the settings, and in settings we will click here the privacy and security where I can get it easily. So in below I scroll and we will go to the certificates. See here the certificates. So I have marked this. Before that I have include this the Query OCSP responder servers to confirm the current validity of certificates, where the view certificates has been page showed also the security device. So I mark this. See, in this way we can mark this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.